Hi, Don again. Happy Thursday, everybody. Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm over here with my good friend, Pastor Jeanette.
Hello, everyone.
Here, Pastor, I'm going to show you what we're doing for your church.
Yes.
Take a look at this. You can see the shades difference that's going on right here in their church.
Yeah, you see the line. You see the line right where right here. Where it's darker. You see all of the spots. All the spots that were here were over here, and there are no spots over here. I'm an excited pastor because we're having a clean church. Thank you, InstaDry.
So quickly book now because the holidays are coming around and we have a fantastic special. I don't think you guys know about it. The carpet and tile cleaning in a home, 40% off in one service trip.
Wow.
Okay?
Worth it. Worth it.
Well, Pastor, thank you so much. You have a...
Thank you.